Big tree in a tight backyard, no problem. At M&G Tree Services, our spider lift gets up to 90 feet high while fitting through gates as narrow as 36 inches wide, allowing us to safely tackle trees other companies can't reach. But it's not just about removing trees. It's about protecting your property. From lawns to landscapes and patios to fences, we focus on the things so that your lawn looks better when we leave than it did when we arrived. With over 50 positive Google reviews, folks all over Connecticut trust M&G Tree Services for safe, professional tree work. Call M&G Tree Services at 860-245-9580 or reach us online at www.mngtreeservices.com.